How to change printer ink in Canon printers. If you want to learn how to put ink in a Canon printer efficiently, then follow the instructions outlined below. Firstly, you have to check that your printer is on. First and foremost, carefully open your printer's access door, which is above the paper tray. It looks like a drawer, has a finger depression at the top that you must push into. You will hear a click sound, causing the ink cartridge holder to shift to the printer's center. Carefully pull out the old ink cartridges with your thumb and index finger to remove them. Remove the protective tape from the new ink cartridge when it is got removed from its packaging. Insert the ink cartridge into the vacant slot until it touches the metal faces within the gap. Lights will turn on when your ink cartridge is correctly fitted. Close your Canon printer's access door and wait a few seconds until the indicator light on your printer becomes solid. If you follow the instructions strictly, you will install a new cartridge in your Canon printer properly. Testing the new cartridge. Depending on the printer model, it will do a self-test on its own, or you will have to perform it manually. It takes only a few minutes, and the device tries to print a trial page. After that, you may use your printer as usual.